Hello, assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to International Opportunity Hub. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please watch my previous video. They will help you in getting international scholarship, internship, and exchange program. So, guys, today we are going to start our journey with the biggest Australian scholarship program. That is Australian Award Scholarship Program 2023. That is a fully funded program. The applications are open to apply for the Australian Award Scholarship for Study in Australia in 2023. Join and apply for the largest Government of Australia scholarship in Australia. This is the biggest scholarship program. The Australia Award Scholarship is open for undergraduate, bachelor, postgraduate, master, and PhD degree program. The AAS will cover all the expenses. The AAS means that Australian Award Scholarship. Australia is the third preferred study abroad destination for international students. The AAS scholarship is a long-term scholarship administered by the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, available in all academic fields of study in all Australian universities. There is no application fee required by the Australian Award Scholarship Program, so you have to pay no application for this Australian Award Scholarship Program. All the expenses will be covered by the Australian government. Please note that you have to apply before the deadline. A fantastic lifestyle makes Australia an attractive study destination. Australia is safe, welcoming, diverse and beautiful and offers first-class educational opportunities. The complete information about Australian Award Scholarship 2023 is given below. So let's have a look on it. Details about Australian Award Scholarship Program. The host country is Australia and the capital of Australia is Canberra. The scholarship is covered by Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, and degree level are bachelor, master and PhD degree, and financial coverage is fully funded and the deadline is 29 April 2022. Financial coverage: your full tuition fee, your return AFA travel ticket, establishment allowance, accommodation expenses, textbook, study material, contribution to living expenses, overseas student health cover, pre-course English fees. If deemed necessary, PCE may be available for students for in-country and or in Australia training. Supplementary academic support may be available to ensure a scholar academic success or enhance their academic experience. Field work for research award and master by coursework which has a research component where field work is compulsory. The eligibility countries are in Asia: Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, India, Indonesia, Laos, Maldives, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Middle East, and Vietnam. And in Pacific, Federated State of Micronesia, Fiji, Kiribati, Marshall Islands. In Africa, Botswana, Ghana, Kenya, Madagascar, Mozambique, Nigeria, South Africa, and Tanzania, and Zambia. In Middle East, Palestinian territories. Eligibility criteria: participant must be from an eligible country, be a minimum of 18 years of age on 1st February of the year of commencing the scholarship, not be a citizen of Australia, hold a permanent residency in Australia, or be applying for visa to live in Australia permanently, not be married to, engage to, or a de facto of a person who holds eligible to hold Australia, New Zealand citizenship or permanent residency at any time during the application, not be current serving military personnel, be able to satisfy all the requirements of the Department of Home Affairs to hold a student visa, and deadline is 29 April 2022. So you must have to set a reminder to apply for this prestigious Australian Award Scholarship Program. That is 29 April 2022. So how to apply? So go to the official website. So guys, this is the official Australian Government Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade official website. How to apply for an Australian Award Scholarship Program? So let's have a look on it. So you have to go to online apply online. Your email address, your confirm email, your family name, your given name, your date of birth and your contact number, then save it, and they will send you an email address to activate your account. And after that you have to simply log in. I already registered myself. I'm going to log in my account. personal details. You have to put all your information, your contact details, and after that your spouse details, your children details, your emergency contact details, your previous scholarship, your scholarship application and proposed study program, your qualification, English language details, computer literacy details, computer training details, current employment, previous employment, supporting statement, professional membership, communications, documentary evidence and declaration. So guys, this is a little bit lengthy process, but you have to put all this information step by step. So guys, you have to put all this information step by step, and this way you can apply for the Australia Award Scholarship Program. So guys, this is the whole procedure. This is very prestigious scholarship program in Australia. So must avail this opportunity if you are eligible to apply for this scholarship program, and also share this prestigious information with your friend circle. Thank you so much guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share it. I will meet you in my next upcoming interesting video with an opportunity of scholarship or internship or exchange program. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.